one, I'm going to go over Monday's lesson for week of November 2nd. If you have any questions, please email or text us at the information provided above. You will be completing an Edpuzzle, a Padlet response, and the optional extension will be an article. Your weekly objective, you can find it here, and here you can find key points from last week. First, complete this Edpuzzle. Click on the image, and then click on the link. In this Edpuzzle, you will be going over your formative assessment scores. The second step, you will be answering questions on a Padlet. Again, click here and open the Padlet. This again is regarding your Unit 3 improvement, so you are just going to review how you have been doing so far throughout Unit 3. You need to answer 3 questions, like 2 other posts, and comment on 1 other post, whether you agree or disagree, or just respond or react to that post. If you are not able to sign in with your LPS account, please sign your name or initials so that we can know which response is yours and we can give you credit for step 2. Step 3, this is the optional extension. You will be reading this article and you highlight important information, underline words you don't know, and bold things that confuse you. After you have completed the 3 steps, please make sure that you check your work. Make sure you have watched the Edpuzzle, completed the Padlet, and if you are completing the optional extension, read and annotated the article in step 3. Let us know how long this lesson took you, and please don't forget to click Turn In on Google Classroom. Thank you.